once again. Now one more issue, that is periods. Period issue. This is one more issue. So in material management, we can open only 2 periods at a time. But we are in new month. We are in January, that is belongs to 10th period. But system is allowing to post only on 9th period and 8th period. So in India, it is 10th period. So open 10th period. How to open 10th period? It's not OB 52 configurations. It is something MM period opening. So we have 2 T codes to open and close periods. MMRV is to check. Give your company code BT50. Enter. Your current period is 9. Previous period is 8 as per system configurations. But in real, we are in 10th period. So what to do? Go back. MMPV is the transaction code. Enter. What is your company code? BT50. Which period you want to open? You want to open 10th period of 2024 financial year. Enter. No worries. Okay, we are in 2024 financial year only. You'll get an warning message here. That's it. Okay, it's a warning message. Just click on execute button once again. Enter. Okay, converted. Now go to MMRV recheck. Give your company code. Now current period is 10th period. Previous period is 9th period. I already told you in MM only 2 periods are allowed. And one more condition, once the period is closed, you cannot open once again in MM. Okay, it is not possible, I can say. Okay, so this is one condition. If they ask you in interview also, be ready. Okay, how many periods? Only 2. One is current period, one is previous period. Is it possible to open again once it is closed? No. Okay, what is the T code? MMRV is for checking, MMPV is for opening. Clear? Done.